How to sign out Netflix on all devices on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can sign out Netflix of all devices from your TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign out Netflix from all devices on your TV, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is actually open your browser, not the app but your browser. And once you open your browser, what you want to do is you simply want to go to netflix.com/your account, which means you have to go to account settings that belongs to netflix.com/your account over here. And as you go to netflix.com/your account, if you scroll down right under security and privacy, you will be able to find one option, and one of the options over there is actually called sign out of all devices. So basically what you need to do over here is that you will be able to see this option called sign out of all devices. You can just make sure to select that option, and then you'll get successfully sign out of all devices on Netflix app on TV. This way you'll be able to sign out all devices on Netflix on TV. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.